One case was in relation to an application by U.S.-based Guyanese Marcus Bisram, who was charged with murder in 2019 after he returned to Guyana. Bisram had asked the court to squash the DPP's directive to the magistrate to have him committed to stand trial for the 2016 killing of Berbice carpenter Fayaz Narindat. The CCJ in its ruling declared that Section 72A of the Criminal Law Procedure Act, which empowered the DPP to direct a magistrate, was unconstitutional and therefore struck it down and squashed Bisram's committal. The government has since tabled a bill to remove this law. With the amendment, the DPP is aggrieved by the decision of the magistrate to discharge an accused person at the end of a preliminary inquiry and can now make an ex parte application to a judge at the High Court for a warrant to arrest and commit the discharged person for a trial. The judge may grant the application only if he or she is of the view, from the evidence that was placed before the magistrate who discharged the accused person, that such course of action is required. If the DPP or the discharged person is aggrieved by the judge's decision, an appeal against that decision shall lie to the Court of Appeal. The other two murder cases are in relation to Bibi Shurima Gopal, 50, along with her 44-year-old lover Jarvis Small. They had appealed against their conviction and sentence for the murder of her 16-year-old daughter, Nisa Gopal. The former Queen's College student's body were found in a suitcase that was submerged in a creek by dumbbells along the Linden-Soosdijk Highway back in October 2010. The trial judge had sentenced Small to 96 years imprisonment and Shurima Gopal to 106 years. While the older Gopal's conviction was upheld, her sentence was reduced from 106 years to 30 years, with the possibility of parole at 15 years. The CCJ allowed her lover's appeal against his conviction and sentence, and he was freed. In the other cases, the CCJ ruled to dismiss the appeal filed by two brothers, Orin and Cleon Hines, against their conviction for the murder of 71-year-old Clementine Fitku Paris, who was gunned down at her Lot 42 Robb Street, Georgetown residence on June 30, 2011. Reporting for AGP Nightly News, I am Tiana Cole.